Here at GNC, we're a global retailer for specialty health and wellness products. Hi, my name is Scott Sager. I'm the Global Technology Officer for GNC. Today's customers are shopping from anywhere at any time. Our customers demand availability. Veeam helps us continue to scale to new and existing customers while maintaining an always-on and on-demand compute.
We're positioned well, and Veeam helps us to be positioned well because we have data in the cloud, we have a mobile experience that is leading the industry, we have an experience that is in that digital transformation space far superior to any of our competitors. Hi, my name is Kevin Fiedler, and I'm the Manager of IT Infrastructure for GNC. We're using Veeam in our environments because we need to provide consistent and reliable backups of that ultra-important corporate and customer data. We need to be able to recover that data at a moment's notice to ensure our customer experience is the best in the industry.
In today's world, security and protecting our customers' data is top priority. Veeam helps us protect our customers' data and offers features like Secure Restore that supports our security strategy. Some of the most important data captured is the success of our promotions and customer loyalty.
And that collection of data is made safe and backed up by Veeam. GNC's current IT infrastructure spans multiple data centers and distribution centers. It also incorporates the cloud. And Veeam helps us by replicating our data, ensuring it is air-gapped and safe, and making sure that data across the enterprise is backed up. You know, another important point to make is that Veeam Data Lab allows us to create an isolated environment where we can accelerate development activities and help get our customer success stories moving to the best conclusion possible.
Customers are ordering from GNC.com 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Veeam's digital backup service enables us to get every order placed, delivered directly to the consumer, or available at a GNC location for pickup.
And the way in which Veeam is helping us is that Veeam ensures that that data is always available, backed up, and recoverable whenever needed.
Prior to signing a relationship with Veeam, we did an extensive ROI. The return on investment over a 3-year period was close to 6 figures, which helped solidify Veeam as a long-term partner with GNC.